Hey guys, what's going on? I got something actually pretty special here for you. A couple of weeks ago, I was actually just flipping through Instagram and I noticed something a little bit strange. I saw this graphic kit for the gas tank of a Dyna, and I was like, that's really cool. So I messaged the guy, and he was like, yeah, I got it made by this guy named Spittin' Fatty. And I got in touch with him, and here we have a full body kit of graphics for the Street Bob that'll make it one of a kind. Rear fender, front fender, gas tank, including the Restless Rider logo. Made sure that this thing wasn't getting into. I don't know whether to thank him or to curse him. Damn. So what I decided to go with is a flat black over the gloss black, which should show up pretty good, with the bike's name on it in silver leaf. And then some swing arm decals. The other side, the other tank. And then the actual channel logo, and that'll be going on the rear fender. So if you guys want the guy's name and everything, just message me on YouTube or my Instagram page. Excuse me. I'd be more than happy to let you know who he is. I can tell you right now, for what all I got here and what I paid, I couldn't be happier. This is literally going to make the bike mine. Nobody else is going to have this, so I can't be happier. This is going to look amazing. Install will take place as soon as I get it back from getting powder coated on all the parts. I'm still waiting on that. Be looking for the install video and all the other install videos that are going to be following. All of these unboxes that are actually, all these unboxing videos that we're having, be looking for the install videos of everything that I'm putting on. But a lot is going to be coming in the near future. Yeah, guys, take it easy. And also, I forgot to tell you this. Basically, the price of all this, including the silver leaf and everything I got here, front, rear, tank, emblems, swing arm, was $110, guys. You can't beat that. I mean, that's just amazing. So, yet again, if you want to hit him up, get your own custom graphics. He can put anything you want on here. Any logos, any words, and any font. So just leave me a message and I'll tell you exactly who he is. Alright guys.